Hi, my name is Bernie Beauchamp. I'm a puppeteer in Reno, Nevada. Today I'm going to show you how to make finger puppet holes in cardstock. First thing we do is get some cardstock and draw some designs on them. We're going to draw a man and a woman design, but we're only going to draw down as far as the legs. And after the figures are cut out, we're going to take a coin and put it on the cardstock, trace around it, and finally cut those holes out using a little X-Acto knife. And when that's done, put my fingers in the holes and bend the cardstock up so that the figure that we cut out of the cardstock is standing erect with our fingers as the legs. And we're going to take the circles we cut out, tape those to the bottom of the fingers to make it look like shoes or feet. That is how we make finger puppet holes in cardstock.